Welcome to Ma'am Joy's Math Tutorial. Changing mixed number to improper fraction. How to change mixed number to improper fraction? To change mixed number to improper fraction, multiply the denominator by the whole number, then add the numerator and copy the denominator. Examples. Let us change 2 and 1/4 into improper fraction by multiplying 4 times 2 is equal to 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Then, copy 4 as the denominator. So, 2 and 1/4 becomes 9/4. Next is 1 and 1/3. Multiply 3 times 1 is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Then, copy 3 as the denominator. So, 1 and 1/3 becomes 4/3. Next is 3 and 1/5. 5 times 3 equals 15 plus 1 equals 16. Then, copy 5 as the denominator. So, 3 and 1/5 becomes 16/5. Let's practice this. Change the following mixed numbers into improper fractions. Then, check your answers on the next slide. Good luck! This is Jocelyn M. Betonio, a mathematics teacher. Thank you for watching.